Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Expedition is equipped with adjustable pedals and this switch is not working for you. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2007 all the way up to 2014. The adjustable pedals fuse is located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin just next to the passenger's right foot. Okay, I will turn the flash on my phone. Okay, so it will be just behind this cover. To remove this cover, you just want to pull it straight towards yourself. Once you remove it, you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. Now on top of the cover, as you can see, there is a small fuse diagram which can help you to locate each of the fuses. To remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side and one on the opposite side. So you want to press this at the same time and lift it up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 20, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here in the middle. And hopefully just by replacing the fuse that will fix your problem. If not, you will have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and look into the adjustable pedal switch and the wiring. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.